Now coming to the syllabus and the preparation strategy. Now tell me how many of you have gone through the syllabus or yet to go through the syllabus? Yet to go. Shreya, okay. What about others? Kishan, gone through it. Okay, quickly let me know. 3 years of experience, Nishtha. Yet to go, yet to go. Yes, Nidhi, Prasad, Prajwal, Rizwan. Okay, those who've not gone through it, chalo, let us go through it right now. Okay, yes. So, part A, like I had mentioned earlier, general knowledge, general intelligence, aptitude, and English. That is your part A of the syllabus. Part B, you have site planning, site analysis. So, again, zoning regulations, your national building code. Okay, right now you also have the NBCS, the construction standards that has come in 2026. Here, however, here they are referring to the NBC 2016. Okay, site access circulation because this NBC has your design codes or design standards. Fine, that is why you would be referring that as well. Okay, in terms of your basic site level circulation, barrier free design, spatial standards. Next, you have computer aided design. So, right from whatever softwares we already use as architects, like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, ho gaya, Lumion, Enscape, all of that, plus your BIM, all these upcoming ones, BIM, how BIM platform, how do you use it, plus integrating BIM and GIS, BIM and IoT, that is Internet of Things, right? So, whatever latest technology that is being used in terms of your softwares and technology, all of that, you need to be aware of that. Questions are going to be asked on that. And again, it's not, they're not going to ask you commands or something. Here it's clearly written application of these softwares. Fine. Next, again, you have structures, building materials, building structures. So, right from all kinds of materials, mud, timber, bamboo, brick, concrete, steel, glass, FRP, to your building, basic building structures, right? Plus your steel structures, along with that, even disaster management or disaster resistant structures. So, design for earthquake, all of these things you need to keep in mind. Plus, you have building construction management. So again, construction techniques. First is here you have your materials. Next, you have the techniques of construction. Along with that, you also have estimation, valuation, specification, right? And project management. So, here they've clearly mentioned CPM per. So you can expect numericals also on this. Again, part of project management. Fine. Then you have energy conservation, green buildings. So again, climate responsive design, plus all the ratings, right from Griha to your lead, IGBC, all of those ratings also you need to be well informed with. Okay. Solar architecture, lighting, illumination, acoustics, environmental pollution. Next, you have your building services. Again, clearly mention building services as per National Building Code. So, right from water supply, drainage to air conditioning, HVAC, lighting, security. elevators, escalators, everything that we study in building services, in college, all of that. Plus, again, upcoming contemporary technology like my one, or you have your flash bricks, building automation, intelligent buildings, right? So, again, all the upcoming technology, upcoming um, latest things that are being used in practice. Then, yes, next is your composite materials, steel, concrete, eco-friendly natural fibers, concepts of sustainability. Plus, you also have your landscape design. So, again, principles of landscape, the history of landscape. So, all your styles, Mughal garden, Zen garden, right? All of that you can expect elements, materials, plants, characteristics. So, even you can also expect the scientific names to be asked here. Next, important part of an airport, your interior design. Because I think maximum time we are spending there only waiting for the flight. So right from your flooring, wall finishes, again the acoustical treatment over there, lighting, heavy passenger flow, interior design elements, signages. Again, knowledge of robust airport grade furniture, fixture, equipment including baggage carousels, security equipment, etc., public seating. So again, if you see the syllabus, it is very, very specific to what is required to design an airport. Okay, there is nothing uh, out of context or irrelevant to the post also. Everything that's needed for airport design is only asked. Again, basics of civil aviation and general awareness, master planning concepts, terminal building design. How many of you, anyone has had airport or designed your airport in your thesis? Anybody? A lot of students do take up that as a thesis topic. So do we have anyone here who's had airport design as their thesis topic? No? Yes, okay, Bhagyashri. Yes, Vivo, no. Okay. So again, the basics that you've used over there also in design, right? Some terms, terminologies that are required in the master planning concept, right? So all of that also you need to know. So now if you overall see the overall syllabus, it's a small syllabus. If you see very crisp, very specific to the post, no unnecessary extra nonsense they've put, nothing of that sort. Very crisp and clear. So now if I just break down this syllabus and try and understand it, I can divide it into these many subjects that we study in college. So site planning, your computers, building construction, materials and techniques, structures, construction management, estimation, specification, valuation, professional practice, climatology, green buildings you can add with it as well. Then building services, landscape, interior, contemporary technology. This is just probably a new thing. Awareness about civil aviation. This is something that's not very specifically taught to you in college, but it's again not something that is difficult. Okay. So now if you look at all these subjects or topics, is there anything new to you other than probably this one? Yes? Is there anything that you are looking at for the first time? No, right? Only I think the 17th point, awareness about civil aviation. And I would say maybe some parts of interior designing where which are very, very specific to airport. Furniture for airport and things like that. But the rest of it, is something that we've already gone through, are using, have studied for 5 years. So now you need to just brush up, okay? Go through them very specifically only for the exam point of view. So let us take a look at week by week strategy as to what to do, how can we go through it. Fine. So here I'm sharing with you a